Getting quite a little bit of caverns, deep dark waters, mysterious noises, little sounds really quite treacherous indeed.
Oh, aye. Been a bit hard from plain sailing, I can tell you. If the beast is walking through there.
Thank you for riding the Loch Ness Monster and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the legendary Loch Ness Monster.
Loch Ness Monster.
Is this one fun?
I enjoy it. It tends to give me a headache, but again, I'm
Upon a new team, welcome. We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Nessie found him. We're trying to find out what the log says they were heading for a cave near the edge of the loch, but you know we're not key anywhere. So I need you to keep your eyes and ears open as the beast is in there. And it seems he's mighty hungry. Oh, Nessie dear, it says here,
that was all new, by the way.
I think, yeah. All the queue and stuff? Okay. Yeah.
So it's more accurate to the sculpture, like the statue.
Okay.
But on ride, all of the stuff, all of that stuff is new.
I like the screen.
I couldn't see what the screens were, the green.
Oh, you couldn't?
No.
It was just like a video of the monsters. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Too bad you couldn't see it.
Yeah. Hey, I can see it in your video.
That's true.